In this problem, I'm asked to factor x squared minus 7x minus 18. So what I do first is I'm always looking for two numbers that, add to this number. I'm always looking for two numbers that add to this number. So in this case, I'm looking for two numbers that add to negative 7, and I'm looking for two numbers that multiply always to this number, multiply to negative 18. Okay, so I'm looking for two numbers that add to negative 7 and multiply to negative 18. So the first thing I need to realize is that if I'm going to have two numbers that multiply to a negative, that multiply to 18, to negative 18, it's going to have to be one negative and one positive. So right away, I know that my two numbers are going to be one negative number and one positive number. Okay, so now what I need to think is, okay, if they're going to be one negative and one positive, then when I actually go to add them, and combine them, I'm actually going to end up subtracting them because one's going to be positive and one's going to be negative. Okay, so now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for two numbers, right? I'm looking for two numbers, and I need them to subtract to equal 7, and I need them to multiply to equal 18. Okay, so that's my current situation. So when I'm thinking about numbers that multiply to 18, I have a few choices. I can do 1 times 18, I can do 2 times 9, and I can do, I'm off screen here. Let me just do this again. So I can do 1 times 18, or 2 times 9, or 3 times 6, or 4. 4 doesn't multiply to 18, 5 doesn't multiply. Okay, so I'm good. So these are all my pairs. So I'm looking for the ones that subtract to get 7, and that's right here. Okay, so 2 and 9 subtract to get 7. Now, what I want is to decide where my signs go on the 2 and the 9, so that when I add them, I get negative 7. So if I want my answer to be negative, I need the larger number to be negative, right? When I do 2 plus negative 9, that will equal negative 7. So my numbers are negative 9 and positive 2. And so my factored form is x minus 9 and x plus 2.